to do. But
Okay,
no, you
so-
never do that. You
so-
are a good doctor.
So, Mommy, let's repeat that because I don't know if the camera was on. So, right now, somebody has accused me of elderly financial abuse and elderly abuse. And right now, they're trying to take custody of you and your finances and the house, even though I've done nothing wrong. And what do you think?
I will never agree with them. Never in my life. You always was good girl. We work together. We talk together. Or things. But if I work hard, it was to. If I die, I will leave everything. All my belong that belong to you. Nobody can take my things. I am very upset.
Okay, so it's December 13th today. We have court on Wednesday, and yesterday the attorney came by and she said that we have two choices: either sign over everything to an independent person, not independent from, from
Other person?
independent of only of us, independent of us, or the public guardian who came in here with 3 policemen and they had their hands on their weapons while I was doing the laundry. Have I ever been physically abusive towards you? Have I ever?
Never. You never abused me.
No, but have you ever been physically abusive? I'm asking specifically.
No, never, 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 never.
Or
Never.
or verbally?
Never, Robert. Never. I try to give it whenever you need. But I want to save it my money. Not for them. It's my own money. I work hard for that. Nobody, I don't owe to this country. No one penny. I will pay my taxes.
Okay, and so do I neglect you?
Never.
Okay,
Never.
do I take you to the doctors when you need to go?
Sometimes I don't want to go. It's my fault. It's my fault. Because
Like many medical professionals, doctors hate going to doctors. Nurses don't like to go to the hospital. You spent 41 years in a hospital, so.
yeah, I did working. I love my profession. I enjoy.
But you don't like to go to the doctor.
But I don't. I feel like I know what is like. Hi, I'm okay. I don't like to cut to my medication, but I should go to see a doctor.
Just for a general checkup. Okay. Do you want some independent person going to tell it? Well, what they can do, what this leads to, is them taking the house and then taking the finances, and then they give you an allowance like they're doing to us now. And that now, even though, my whole life, pretty much, you've always paid for if I needed a lawyer or whatever. Even though I never had any violations except traffic my whole life until all of this started. But and they still only have traffic.
I don't.
Now they're saying they don't want to let you pay for my lawyer. They want to put me and you against each other. Are you against? Do you think we're against each other?
No, I will not. I will tell the judge there when I go to the court to tell the truth. Why is the reason to come here to bother to me? I don't bother to think. What is I have is because I work hard, day and night. It's my work because I want to put you in the school, to pay the bills, to pay our house. What is wrong with that? I don't need nobody interfere.
So when we started this whole process, there was $505,000 in the Wells Fargo account, and we were getting $9,000 or $10,000 a month. I was managing the rental in San Francisco. Now they are taking out. They didn't listen to me when I asked them to. Since January, since I opened the account with Ms. Walker, because she never met you before you came back from Peru, I opened the account. Since I opened the account with Ms. Walker. I've always said we wanted to be out of the stock market before election. Now, the public guardian, the woman who came by with the guns pulled, and the 3 cops who, when you repeatedly said you wanted an attorney, did not listen to you, pulled you out of bed, and then made a statement. Now she's controlling the money, and she did nothing of what we said. And now we have no idea. Do you think it's fair that you don't have any idea of how much your accounts are at? And do you want that person controlling?
I don't. This is the first time I saw that lady. I don't want her talking with her. She seems like it's belong the money who's in the bank. Is belong to her, and she can do whatever she wanted. No, primero she has to kill me, because I will tell everything, the truth. No liars, sino true. I didn't call her to interfere. Did they do with the other people? No.
Do they do it to white? Do they do it to white people?
They cannot do with the white people. That's why, because they think, they know I am Spanish, but I work hard for me. I educate, Spanish educated. I went to university, and I am educated. I am not going to let them to get all my belongings. I am not going to let to get all my belongings.
And do you think that I'm a threat to you?
Never, never. You help me in everything. You are a good girl.
Okay, I'm gonna stop this for a second.